right, Big P doing a personal box of Contenders draft. Good luck, brother. Hit something crazy. If you're looking for a spot, 4 left in the serial numbered case, 5 left in the high-end hockey break. All right, Big P, here we go. First up, Brett Favre, number to 49. And Kyle Lauletta, college ticket. Lauletta. Get a bunch of him in the last one. Big P, Peyton Manning auto will be just great. Hey, we didn't hit him at all in the last one. Maurice Mo Hurst to 99. Mo. To 99, Mo Hurst. Jalen Samuels to 15 playoff ticket. Jalen Samuels to 15, baby. I'm telling you, the rest of this case should be loaded. Yeah, Tudor, 148. You want one of those? Luke Falk to 15. Playoff ticket. What? You got a bold ticket and 2 playoff tickets to 15. Not the craziest names, but hey. Trey Quinn. College ticket. And Steve Ishmael, cracked ice to 23. The Orangeman. Crazy. Big P, there you have it, brother.